What is the fastest way to heal leaky gut? Healthier steps. A leaky gut occurs when the lining of your digestive tract becomes leaky and lets undigested food particles and bacteria pass through to your bloodstream instead of staying in your digestive tract where they belong. This causes damage to your intestinal wall and can negatively affect other systems in your body, including your nervous system, circulatory system, brain, endocrine system, immune system, and respiratory system. What causes leaky gut? Triggers for leaky gut range from an unhealthy diet to emotional stress and even infections. Identifying these factors is key to maintaining a healthy gut. A leaky gut may also occur as a result of prescription medications such as NSAIDs, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, such as ibuprofen or naproxen sodium. These medications can damage your intestinal lining when taken over a long period of time. Another cause of leaky gut is taking antibiotics on a regular basis, especially with repeated courses. Antibiotics not only kill pathogens that cause infection, but they also harm our good bacteria, probiotics, which are vital for optimal digestive health. Leaky gut characteristics. Leaky gut is often characterized by digestive symptoms like bloating, abdominal pain, and frequent diarrhea or constipation. In the worst cases, one may develop an autoimmune disease like Crohn's or ulcerative colitis. The good news is that leaky gut can be healed quickly and easily by changing your diet and lifestyle. Here are 10 easy ways to heal leaky gut that may surprise you. Eliminate gluten from your diet. The gluten-free diet has become increasingly popular in recent years, as people have become more aware of the dangers associated with consuming gluten. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. It's also common in foods like bread, pasta, cereals, and baked goods. A gluten-free diet can help heal a leaky gut by improving the integrity of the intestinal wall. This diet also tends to be high in fiber and other good nutrients, which can help improve gut health overall. 2. Switch from cow's milk to plant milk. Cow milk contains casein, a protein, and lactose, a form of sugar, both of which irritate and inflame the gut, making an existing leaky gut condition worse. Switching from cow's milk to plant milk like almond milk is one of those simple things you can do to start healing your leaky gut. 3. Stay hydrated. A number of factors can cause that mucus layer to become damaged, allowing undigested food particles and potentially pathogenic microbes to escape into your bloodstream, triggering an immune response and leaving you vulnerable to a whole host of health problems. Also, steer clear of sodas or anything with high fructose corn syrup. Avoiding sugar altogether may even be better if you're really trying to heal your gut. Always aim to drink half your body weight in ounces every day. 4. Eat plenty of probiotic foods. A diet rich in fermented foods like vegan yogurt, kimchi, and other cultured or fermented products contains probiotics, good gut bacteria, that can be beneficial for healing leaky gut. 5. Eat enough B vitamins. Many people are familiar with some of the benefits associated with B vitamins, such as supporting mood, energy, and weight management, preventing anemia, boosting cognitive function, and even promoting a healthy heart. 6. Increase your magnesium intake. Magnesium can help repair your gut wall, which is particularly important if you're struggling with a leaky gut. In fact, a high magnesium to calcium ratio has been linked to reduced intestinal permeability or leaky gut. 7. Get more sleep. Sleep is known to be an important part of a healthy lifestyle and can help heal a leaky gut. When you are sleep deprived, your gut becomes less supportive of good bacteria, leading to an increase in harmful bacteria. By restoring the balance of bacteria in your gut, sleep helps heal a leaky gut. Sleep regulates the activity of enzymes that break down food into nutrients that the body can absorb. Sleep helps turn on your immune system, which plays a significant role in healing a leaky gut. 8. Replace your flour with gluten-free flour. One of the best ways to heal the leaky gut through food is by using gluten-free flours like coconut flour, quinoa flour, sorghum flour, and millet flour. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol can be a big contributor to the leaky gut syndrome, as it can increase intestinal permeability and damage the mucosal barrier. In fact, drinking even 1 glass of wine a day can lead to increased intestinal permeability, which is a key factor in the development of the leaky gut syndrome. Manage stress. There is a lot of debate over how stress causes a leaky gut. When we're stressed, our bodies often respond by releasing a cascade of hormones that make our intestines more permeable. Increase your fiber intake. In order to heal the leaky gut, it is important to increase your intake of fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that keeps things moving along smoothly in the intestines. It also helps keep the gut bacteria balanced and your digestive system clean. Legumes, beans, peas, lentils. Nuts and seeds, almonds, Brazil nuts, cashews, flax seeds, hemp seeds. Fruits, apples, apricots, bananas, blueberries, cherries, figs, grapefruit, honeydews, grapes.